What's up guys? We are in the process of packing. We are actually moving house tomorrow. We are downsizing. We realise we're in such a big place at the moment. There are so many parts of the house we don't use, so we're moving somewhere smaller.
Totally, and we have to pack anyway, so we figured while we do it, why not show you what we have in our suitcases, along with answering some of the common questions that we get asked a lot about living in Bali and things you should consider as a tourist coming to Bali. We're running out of time, we're running out of daylight. Let's get packing.
Let's do it.
Okay, so really quickly, an honourable mention for our suitcases. These are the Rip Curl F-Light 100 litre suitcases. They are 3.6 kg, so heavier than some other ones on the market, but they are super durable. Skateboard wheels, so the wheels are going to last a really long time. And they are self-standing, not right now, but they are self-standing. So when you are at the airport, you don't have to hang on to your suitcase, it'll just stand up on its own.
Not sponsored either.
Not sponsored. Oh God, I wish. Okay, this is not one of the official questions, but Ryan,
Yeah.
are you a folder or a roller?
Typically I'm a roller.
Yeah?
Yeah. You save a lot more room doing rolling, right?
100%. I did not believe it for so long, and in this trip to Bali, I rolled everything, and I can't even explain how it works, because you would think a roll would take up more height, but it doesn't. I can't explain it.
I actually remember watching a video once on YouTube where two guys had the exact same suitcases and the exact same clothing, and one guy rolled and one guy folded, and the guy that rolled had like a third more space than the guy that folded.
There you have it. Roll your clothes if you're traveling overseas. Packing cubes or no packing cubes?
I like them.
I love them.
They're good.
I think they keep everything separate and nice, and if you're unpacking, if you're one of those people that unpack when you get to a hotel, you just take the packing cubes out. It's so easy.
Yeah, everything's all there.
Yeah. Let's get started.
What's first?
We're going to start with t-shirts. I have 5 t-shirts.
I have a lot more. I probably have 10 or 11 t-shirts. I hardly wear them, to be completely honest. I definitely overpacked with t-shirts. I wear singlets, as you would have seen in a lot of videos. If you haven't seen the videos, go back and watch them.
All of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so the official question, why are we moving? Right?
We are moving because the lease has finished on our house here. We've been in this particular villa for 4 months now.
And as Ryan said in the intro, there's just space here we don't use. It didn't make sense to be spending all of this money for space we don't use. So we're moving into a apartment. You should be folding.
Oh.
I'm about to move on to the next
Or
section.
rolling, rather.
They see me rolling.
And this is now a competition to see who fills up less of their suitcase. Next section is like dress shirts, long sleeve shirts.
Okay.
Because I know you have some. I only have one. It's a long sleeve Gymshark shirt. I might wear it if we go hiking or something.
I have 3 shirts that I would consider dress shirts. In reality, you only need one. Us personally, we do go out sometimes. There are a few clubs here where you need a dress shirt to go in. They won't let you turn up in a singlet or a t-shirt.
Next section, singlets and crop tops.
Prior to coming here, I only came with like 2 singlets, but I've brought a few since then because that's mostly what I wear. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got about 5.
I have 6.
Yeah.
I will probably be getting rid of a few. I'm very minimalist when it comes to packing, so I will be donating most of these. Next section, long pants.
Long pants.
Mine is broken down into 2 sections. I have one pair of long, like flowy linen pants, and that is because here when you go to temples, you have to have your legs covered. So I wanted something nice and lightweight and breathable that I could wear to temples.
I have a pair of jeans that I haven't worn in half a year. I think it's good to bring a pair of jeans. My idea is if we go on a big hike or like a volcano hike, which we're probably going to do soon, it might be good to have.
I also have 2 pairs of workout pants. I work out 6 days a week, so I have 2 pairs of those. I would also use them if we were going on a hike or something like that. So 2 pairs of workout pants, 1 pair of long flowy pants for temples, things like that. Next section is shorts, and for my case, hopefully not Ryan's case, skirts. I have 2 skirts. I wear them both, mostly just if we like go out somewhere for dinner. I don't really wear them. A lot of the time I just wear bike shorts, which I have 3 pairs of bike shorts. I pretty much live in them. I highly recommend bringing bike shorts with you to Bali, 100%.
If you're a guy, I highly recommend board shorts like the ones I'm wearing now, or these. I've got a few pairs of these. They're great to wear around because they're very thin material, but also you can go swimming in them, so double purpose. I've also got kind of like 3/4 genie pants, if you like, that I sometimes wear. They're good to have. And some nicer denim pairs of jeans in case we decide to go out to a restaurant or something like that where I don't want to wear my knockoff Billabong shorts.
Really quickly, what percentage of your suitcase is full?
I would say half.
50%?
Yeah, I mean, well, not even that, probably 1/3.
No. No.
Well, I can push that down, then I've got all of that.
What percentage of mine would you say is full?
Probably the same, it's just that you do it a little bit differently.
Lies. I'm sure you guys can see, but I have this much. I have maybe 20%.
We're not packing to go overseas, we're moving 20 minutes up the road, so it doesn't really matter.
Bitch ass excuses.
Right.
Okay. Next section, which I know Ryan has heaps of, dresses. I have brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dresses. The next section, which I know I beat Ryan on, jerseys and jackets.
I brought this in case I wanted to go snowboarding.
I have 2. I have the jersey I wore on the plane, and then a Kathmandu windbreaker rain jacket.
Right.
Which I haven't worn again.
Yeah. I've obviously got this jacket, a hoodie, and a long sleeve kind of thin material hoodie. Have not worn any of it.
Culture and respect. So, the language that is spoken in Bali, well, the language that is widely spoken in Bali is Indonesian. There's 2 languages. One is Bahasa or Balinese, and the other is Indonesian. If you're going to learn one or the other, learn Indonesian because it is widely spoken in Bali and the rest of Indonesia. So, as we've said in other videos, learn some, it'll help you get through Bali, and the locals really, really love it. They appreciate and respect the fact that you're trying to learn their language and a little bit about their culture. So,
Absolutely.
Indonesian. The next section, because we are really quickly losing light, is just like bikinis, sports bras, underwear, togs,
and socks.
And socks. I have 1 pair. Ryan has 300.
You do not need socks here.
No.
I think I've worn 1 pair once.
I have 1 pair. 1 pair left, shall we say. I obviously go to the gym and I have to wear sneakers, so I have socks. Why do I have 1 pair instead of 2, Ryan?
I have no idea. I sometimes don't know what pair is mine and I wear Sam's by mistake.
My feet are like half the size of yours.
Yeah, but they still fit.
They look like baby socks compared to your feet. And then you stretch them and then I can't wear them.
Yeah.
So I have 1 pair of socks. I have 2 sports bras. I use both. That's actually a lie. I mostly use 1, but that's fine. Okay, next part of the question, religion. Bali is Hindu. Indonesia is Muslim. Both are 2 very modest cultures. Cover up, just be respectful. Yeah. If you want to get the most out of your trip to Bali, respect the culture of the land you are coming to.
Totally.
And that respect will be returned to you tenfold. Trust me, the Balinese people are the nicest, kindest, most giving people you will ever meet in your life.
Absolutely.
That's all of that. We do have little carry-on suitcases as well, but that's filled with ring lights and cameras and tripods and microphones and
laptops and
and
heaps of different cables for chargers and stuff. As far as technology though,
yeah.
I'm going to quickly mention this. This is quite good to know. Okay, really quickly I want to talk about a few bits of technology that we brought. It's good to bring your own power adapters. So on the front, the part for Indonesia, it's got 2 prongs, and if you're from New Zealand or Australia, obviously you got the 3 prongs there. On top of that though, what you also want to get, that's helped us out a lot, is like a 4-way adapter. And we've actually got 2 of these and obviously plugged into that. Especially if you've got, you know, a laptop and you're charging GoPro batteries and other things. It's a little cheat, I suppose.
Bring us into the next section of the next question, which is drugs and drinking. So the legal drinking age in Bali is 21. You have to be 21 to drink alcohol. Drugs are 100% prohibited. There are hefty penalties. Bali does carry a death penalty.
I think we're done here, guys. We're pretty much packed. Thanks for watching. It made it a little bit more enjoyable for us. We are moving tomorrow. I'm quite excited. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, a like. If you found it interesting, if you learned anything, we would really appreciate it. If you're not already following us, check us follow. We release a new video every Friday with our trips around Bali, tips and tricks, and everything else.
We have some really cool videos planned, so you're gonna wanna be subscribed. We have a really cool trip planned coming up. So subscribe to the channel so that you get to see that, because it is going to blow your mind just as much as it's gonna blow ours. So yeah, see you next week, I guess, from the new house. Nope, see ya next week. We have to finish packing. Peace.